Welcome to Lectromec's 2-Minute Tuesday. Today's question is, how can I identify an aircraft wire?
This is not a simple 2-minute answer, but I'm going to try to give you an executive summary. We'll have a link to our blog on wire identification, cable identification down here in the comments. But we'll start from the simple part. If you have a wire or cable that's still on the spool, if you're lucky, you may still have the manufacturer or distributor's product identification code still stamped on here. If you don't have that, then hopefully you'll have a wire identification with a wire spec printed right onto the cable or the wire, depending upon what you're looking at. That'll give you a lot of the information that you can just go search the web and find out what's this wire actually made out of. If it's actually installed into the aircraft, that's where things get a little bit more complicated. You're going to have the aircraft manufacturer's wire ID code, the circuit ID. You're going to have a lot of information that's already printed onto this wire and may make it harder for you to identify or read the wire code or what type of wire this is. So you're going to have to start looking at this a little bit more closely. In this case here, we have a jacketed, shielded, twisted pair, which if you're not familiar with the overall construction of at least this cable here, you're going to want to have to start going from the outside in. What type of jacket? What type of shield? There's several varieties of shielding in terms of plating and coverage. Circuits that are more critical in terms of and more sensitive to EMI will have far greater percentage of protection by shield. Then start looking down at the wires. What's the insulation made out of? And then what's the plating on the conductors? Again, we'll have a link down in the comments section here to a blog on wire identification. But if you want more information about aircraft wire testing, risk assessment, or life extension of aircraft wiring systems, go to our website at lectromec.com. Thank you.